everybody, it is day 2. Is it day 2 of our holiday? I don't even know. Guess who arrived last night? My baby Maya and Manny and Luna and everybody else came last night. Very late last night, may I add. But we are just in the middle of making breakfast. Issa's really grumpy, as usual. Look, this is like the perfect spot to vlog here. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Isa is in a very grumpy mood because I don't even know why he's grumpy. It's not like he didn't have a lion or anything. We are in the middle of making breakfast. I will show you what we're having. I've got YouTube on here for Isa. Come on, here, go, Dad. Come on, let's go in the other room.
He loves the iPad.
He does, he does. Come on, let's go. Hold my hand. Look at my naughty snacks. This is my snack stash. If anyone wants a naughty snack, they can come here. Also, look.
Whoa, that is a lot.
Come on. He can come by himself. Let's go. Nobody's in this room. Look how funny this is. I didn't show you this, but look at this. This is a painting with, it's not even a painting, it's literally like knitted or something, and then it's got like plaits sticking out, and like this is all 3D. It's really cool. This is like the fireplace. Look how cool that is. And then the ceilings are really cool. I just can't get over this place. It's amazing. There's like seating area here. This is where I sat and edited my vlog last night. It's a bit of a mess in here because everyone's here now. Spiral staircase, and then there's another seating area with a table and chairs and stuff like that. Well, table and sofas. And then there's another table and chairs here. Let's go down the stairs. What have we got for breakfast? So we've got waffles, we've got croissants, we've got toast, we've got scrambled eggs, we've got avocado, we've got tomatoes, and that is basically breakfast. Thanks to Tot and Wahid. We all chipped in a little bit, but Tot did most of it this morning, and Wahid. Mostly Tot. How are you feeling this morning, David?
Tired.
Tired? Yeah. Did you not sleep very well?
Oh, I slept like a log.
What are you drinking?
Tea and juice. Tea and juice.
Lovely, lovely. We've got a gorgeous little baby girl here. Hello. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now. Hopefully Issa will let me in peace now that he's got the iPad. Careful, Issa. Imani and Elisa are here. Say hello, Luna. We're about to head to the pool. Elisa, are you ready? We just got some snacks out. We got some drinks. This girl has got her watermelon, yay! And an ice lolly. We put yogurts in the fridge and then put spoons in them to make ice lollies. In the freezer, you mean? In the freezer. In the freezer. Imani's here. I just did Imani's hair. I put some curl cream in it. Look how cute it looks. Adorable. What are you doing?
I'm playing.
Playing on the Switch? Cool. What's your favourite game?
Animal Crossing. But I'm starting to
Animal Crossing. Oh, cool.
Mum always plays it, but now I'm trying it.
Yeah.
I started the other day.
Oh, yeah. Cool. We've been outside for so long, haven't we?
Yeah.
We just got changed not long ago, and I did Imani's hair. I'm wearing these trousers. and my Brum t-shirt. They're trying to figure out the TV for the kids because Bob Esponja. So they're trying to change the language. Espanol, English.
Yes.
I don't like
Sponja.
I don't like it.
Issa's just on his iPad, as usual. The guy who owns this Airbnb, just gave us a big bucket of fruit, and I mean not fruit, vegetables. So we've got like these courgettes. Look how big they are, massive. And then all these green beans, which Luna is gonna love because she just loves eating these raw. So we have got, what's you guys doing? We've got two cheeky children in the shower.
This is our garden, and she's the sister, and this is my baby.
Ah, Issa is here on the bed. It's 2:30 now, and Issa is ready for a nap. They just had some lunch. They had noodles that we bought from home, and now we are gonna try and get him down for a nap, but I don't know how that's gonna go. The girls are just playing in the bathroom, in the shower room. There's Matilda on the TV, which we were watching earlier. But yeah, that's what's going on. We're having a bit of chill time. Issa's still watching the iPad, not asleep. They're having some rainbow drops.
I like them.
Luna's over there, but they're watching Toy Story 4. You okay, Manny? Yeah, Manny's watching me edit. Look at her hair. Doesn't it look so gorgeous? I love it so much. It's all dry now, and it just feels so nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you going to let me do your hair again? They have decided they're taking cushions into the shower now. We are about to head out to the shop. Me, Khalid, there's Khalid there, and my mum getting in the car. This is the fancy car that Khalid got. What is it? An Audi what?
A1.
A1. S-line. Don't know what that is, but there you go. No, you sit in front. So we just basically have tried to leave, and the door, there's a big gate here, and apparently it's locked according to Orhan.
Yeah.
So there's a padlock there.
Padlock.
And this doesn't.
No, it does.
It does?
You just have to...
What the heck? We're basically trapped in here. It opened, guys! Way! So apparently Orhan lied. Okay, shall I hold this open? The meat shop that we were looking for has disappeared. Don't know where it's gone. Like, we're on this road where we thought it was, and Mum saw it too. You saw it too, right?
It's along here. I think the shutters are down.
Yeah, we've just completely missed it. Don't know where it's gone.
It's closed.
Yeah, it's probably just closed, undercover. But we have found another shop here, so we're gonna head in here and see what's going on. See if they have anything that we need. Maybe they'll even have something halal. I'm craving some meat.
Already?
Yeah, we've had just only. How long has it been? Like 2 days? 3 days?
It's not been that long.
3 days. I didn't have it on the day that we came. Like, the day we travelled. And then yesterday and today. Let's go. So warm. You're right. We have to put on gloves, guys.
a lot more organised than the UK.
I know, how has this got spiked right? Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Nice. Bless us. Don't need them. Khalid's found some halal stuff. I can see your brows. So exciting. Yes. It's pick and mix, isn't it?
Wow. So cool.
Fall. We found the meat shop, guys. I don't know how we didn't see this before. We just got back and these guys called me to fix the fire and I did it straight away.
What, just one look?
She's looking at me like, are you stupid?
Just one
We
look.
need to get it to 200, I think.
200. So this needs to be 200 or more. And it is currently at 100 and the fire is just started.
It's literally only on 100 because it's just baked.
Yeah, it's
an oven.
yeah, that's just the temperature of the outside.
Where we started.
How is this a barbecue?
You have to put the...
Coal on there? Oh, she's doing something. So we are about to head outside. Excuse the sound of Issa's iPad. We're about to head outside. Come on, Issa, walk. So we are about to head outside. Issa is not a happy bunny. He's really, really grumpy.
Because he's always going to get a pizza because he's sick.
Yeah, he's not feeling very well. So we're going to go outside and just try and eat some food in peace. I don't even know. We're going to go see what's going on. But yeah, I'm not a happy bunny.
I'm bringing this back because my baby doll's in it.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, so that's where we're going now. Heading outside.
It's not really that hot.
Hot chips.
Just wait till they cool down then. Then eat that, okay?
What's the matter, Isa?
How's your pizza?
Nice.
Did you try it?
Yeah, I did. From
Isa,
those.
Isa, do you like
Oh yeah, you did, didn't you? Duh. How's your pizza, Lisa? Did you try it yet? Skina, stop farting. She doesn't have ketchup.
Oh, no,
Elisa.
I know. I already asked her and she was like, no!
Elisa just said to me she's never seen ants marching one way, but they are. Look how huge these ants are. Massive. Okay guys, we're making pizza in a pizza oven. Look at this. Wow, amazing. So cool. This is the temperature. Wow, how did you get it to go so high?
Khalid.
Amazing.
Khalid did it.
Absolutely amazing. And over here we've got a pizza making station.
Oh, it's from... Yeah, I think it just needs
Here we
a
go.
bit longer cooking.
And there's another 4 going on here.
I said I can't
Some
see forward,
cheese.
but you guys.
We've got this chorizo as well. Yum yum. Show me you. Look at me.
Look at all the ants.
Don't throw stones. What are you doing, East? What are you doing? Might be a good idea to close this gate so that the kid cannot go here. What is it? Show us how you do the pizza, Ohan.
So we open the door.
Oh my god, we've made a mess, haven't you?
And we've got
Oh,
some
that looks nice,
lovely
actually.
pizza cooking in there.
Very
Just need
nice.
to wait for the cheese to bubble a little bit.
Very nice, very nice.
And I think we're good.
We found this little house. Look at this.
You want to close it?
Oh, he's standing on things, I think.
Whoa!
Yeah. We found a little house and it's literally got like toys everywhere. How crazy is this?
Everywhere.
Madness.
Did you see the hammock thing?
Yeah.
Loads of like, I really want to go there.
Show me. Wow, there's hammocks over there. Maya's going to the hammocks. The floor had so many spiky bits all over it on the way here. And then I put Issa on the floor here and he got one in his foot.
Oh, that was
Oopsie.
horrible bits.
Yeah.
Because he hasn't got shoes on.
Yeah, he hasn't got shoes on because he keeps taking his sandals off. He don't like wearing them. He just keeps unstrapping them.
And there were these horrible bits, spiky bits.
Yeah, there's horrible spiky bits all over the floor. Let me show you what they are. These little things here. These spiky things. This is what is on the floor all the way back to the place where we're staying. And it hurts. I got spiked twice right here and it really, really hurts. Poor baby Issa. Oh my gosh, you guys are loving life right now, huh? The kids have been playing in here for ages and they don't want to come out, and it's now Maghrib time, so I need to try and get them out of here. Come on, it's nice and cool outside now. Come on. It's really warm in here as well. Come on, we'll come back tomorrow and play in here tomorrow, yeah?